We have here the manual. You can scan this. Okay, let's open this. And we have the charging port. Okay. We have also the charger. Okay. We have also Fujifilm warranty. Okay, 1 year unlimited warranty. Dear valued customer, thank you for your purchase and kind support of Fujifilm's products. We are pleased to inform you that the product is covered under our 1-year warranty. If you need to service or repair your product, please bring your original warranty card and original purchase receipt to our service customer or service center. We have also here free photo editing software. Okay, the lace of the Fujifilm. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Wow. Okay. We have also here 16 gig. Okay, and of course the manual and the cable. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oops. Okay, we can see here now the camera itself. Okay. And we have here the Fujifilm. Okay. This is now the product. Nice one. Flippable. We have this. Okay. Also, we have the lens. Okay, the lens. This is 15 to 45. Okay. Also, free batteries. I bought these batteries, the 2 batteries, the blue one, and this is the free battery. And of course, charging port. Okay, let's see what's inside. We have the port of the charger, the lens, original battery, and the other 2 batteries. The camera. The memory card.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.